Hey friends, so the most awaited result of the week, yes, SBI, State Bank of India is finally out and the results are absolutely phenomenal. The bank has also declared a dividend of 400%. Yes, that is 4 rupees on a face value of 1 rupee per share. The date of payment of dividend is 18th June, but if you want to know on which date to buy the shares, so that you get the dividend, and also you want to know how the stock will react on Monday, how to make money on Monday by trading in SBI shares, keep watching the video till the end. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do so right away. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified immediately whenever I release an important video. First thing first, the dividend of rupees 4 per share. Payment date is 18th of June. But in case you want to buy the shares, if you don't hold it right now, or if you hold it and you want to sell it, but still want to get the dividend, remember that you should buy the shares on or before 2nd of June to be eligible to receive the dividend. Yes, if you buy the shares on 3rd of June, you will not get the dividend. And remember that SBI is declaring a dividend after 4 years. So this is of course a big thing. Now let me take you to some important highlights of the results. So this is a 55-page document. The earlier document was of 34 pages. I will just show you some important highlights and then we will get started. So by now you must have known that the net profit has jumped by 80% YOY to 6,450 crores in the fourth quarter, that is quarter ended 31st March 2021. This is in comparison to 3581 crores in Q4 FY20. Sequentially, that is on a QOQ basis, the net profit has increased by over 24%. For the full year FY21, net profit is over 20,000 crores, which has gone up by 41%. I'll come to the net NPA ratio and gross NPA ratio a little later. Provision coverage ratio has improved to 87.75%, which is amongst the highest across all banks. Slippages ratio has also declined to 1.18% from 2.16%. So across the board, there is strong improvement in asset quality also. Look at these numbers. The net interest income has gone up by almost 12% CAGR, that is compounded annualized growth rate. Operating profit has gone up by over 13.6%. Recoveries have gone up by over 11%. Now look at this slide. Gross NPA, that is gross non-performing assets, have declined substantially from 1,49,000 crores to 1,26,000 crores. So it is at a 5-quarter low. Even net NPA has declined from 51,871 crores to 36,810 crores, which is the lowest in last 5 quarters. This really goes to show the sharp improvement in asset quality for SBI. Now let's see the fundamental attributes of SBI. So SBI today closed at over 400 rupees, which is up by 4.3%. The day's high was 404, so it has closed very close to the day's high. And the 52-week high is 426 rupees. And I am of the view that very soon this high will get crossed and SBI will make a new all-time high, which may be in excess of 450 rupees also. Why can I say this? Look at this. The market cap of SBI is only 3,58,000 crores. And when you look at the price to book ratio, which is PB ratio, it is only 1.4, that too on trailing multiple, that is based on the previous year's earnings. With such a strong growth in earnings, remember profit is up by over 80%. SBI is amongst the cheapest available banking stocks in India and it is surely expected to get re-rated. If 1.4 becomes just 2x, that is 2x, so 50% jump in valuation, you can imagine the kind of jump that will be there in the stock price. I am not saying that it is going to happen immediately, but slowly, gradually, over the next few quarters, there will be a definite re-rating that will happen in SBI, and even the PE, that is price to earnings ratio, will go up from 19.5 times to a higher level. So this is broadly about SBI. Remember, the dividend is 400% because the face value is 1 rupee. Now let us have a look at technicals and then see how it will behave on Monday and how you can make money by trading in SBI on Monday. This is the daily chart of SBI and look at this candle today. Look at the results reaction, the volumes. 19 crore shares have been traded today itself, and the similar volumes had occurred in January when SBI had gapped up by 10%. This was also, of course, based on the result reaction. When on the day of results also it had rallied by 5%, and then it gapped up by 10% in the previous quarter. Will history repeat itself on Monday? Well, I think at least a 5% gap up is possible, and SBI will most likely open about this level, which is the all-time high of 426, 426 and half rupees. So it open at 430 to 440? Yes, it can very well open over there with a gap up. So 430 to 440 is the range at which I am looking, and like I mentioned to you, my target for the next few days is 450 rupees, and eventually it will go to 500 in the next few months. So if you are a short term trader and if you have SBI in your trading portfolio, I don't think you should be selling it. If you don't have, you can keep a stop loss based on your risk appetite and go for these levels. Also, if you look at the chart structure, it is trading way above the 200-day moving average. It is making higher highs and higher lows. Look at this. Look at the kind of consolidation which happened in the last 3 months. Look at this low. So from a low of around 320 rupees, it has already gone to over 400 rupees. And in my opinion, 430 to 440 is where we can hope to see the price on Monday. Now let's have a look at the option chain data. This is option chain analysis of SBI for the month of May, and one look you can see that the highest open interest position on the call side is at 400. However, the open interest right now is 141 lakh shares, that is 1.41 crores, and at all other strike prices there has been a sharp unwinding. Of course, it is because these options are already in the money. At higher levels also, at 410 and 420, there are substantial open interest of 64 and 69 lakhs each, where again open interest addition has taken place. When you look at the put side, the highest open interest is at 370, 47 lakh shares, followed by, actually it's at 350 at 50 lakh shares. However, the premium is just half rupee, so we are going to ignore it. At 370, 47, again just 1 rupee premium. So the highest and meaningful open interest is only at 390 and 400. So between the two, 400 as the highest open interest, and the premium over there is 7.3 rupees, whereas for the call it is 13.5 rupees. In my view, if there is a big gap up, the 400 try call option will have to cover their options, because they were holding tight even today despite the rally. But these options have already become in the money. In the money means the closing price of SBI is 401 and the option is of 400. So they have already started losing money. In my view, how do you trade SBI? What am I going to do? If there is a gap up, and if you are an option trader, in my view, the safest strategy would be to sell the 400 put option. Of course, with a gap up, the premium will come down, but this is going to be a very safe strategy. Depending on the gap up, another thing that you can do is you can buy the 420 call option if SBI opens at or above 420, and the premium right now is only 5.4. I will buy this for a premium of 10 rupees and maybe even higher also if the price opens above 420 rupees. Of course, the premiums will go up because of a sharp jump in price. If there is a gap down, which I don't think there is any likelihood, then you have to sell the 400 call option, because that is where the highest open interest position is at this point of time. But given the chart structure and the fundamental attributes, and of course the very strong results, there is a higher probability of a gap up. You need to be prepared to buy the call option and sell the put option. Do remember to keep your stop losses, because the gap up is going to be very sharp, at least 5%. But if you are holding in cash, continue to hold it, whether you are a long term investor or a short term trader. Don't buy any call option of or above 450 rupees. Even if there is a big gap up, I will prefer buying anything between 420 to 440 call options. So this is going to be my strategy for SBI. I hope you also are able to make money from SBI on Monday and going forward also. Wish you all the best for your trading next week. If you have liked the content of this video, please do share it with your friends and family so that they can also benefit. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great weekend.
You can reach out to me on Twitter, Insta, LinkedIn, and of course YouTube.